What's up, you guys? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in with another video. This is episode 4 on HyperDragons GO. My last video, I basically was showing you guys that I was trying to move up on the leaderboard and how people use that strategy to earn a lot of ONG. But before I get started, I really would appreciate it if you guys just tap that subscription tab and also tap that notification bell. That way you'll be one of the first ones to get my newest videos. Now I got that out of the way, let's get it. So also stay tuned, because at the end of this video I will be showing you where I'm at on the leaderboard. So I'm gonna check out the arena because we just had a tournament this morning and I missed it. I did enter my dragon, but I didn't get up in time to actually watch the tournament. So you guys gonna see what I see. What is this showing? Oh wow. Let's get out of that. So it was the Lord's Gen contest. It was at 7 a.m. I just didn't get up in time. But luckily I did enter the tournament and I did set my moves. So let's see. Yep, I placed in the top 3. That ain't bad for, me putting the dragon. The dragon was basically on autopilot, So I try to make it to the tournaments, but sometimes I oversleep, So I won 1,800 food and 1 ticket. And I placed in the 3rd place, so that's not bad. So now I got 6 tickets and I earned some extra food. So basically, the next tournament is the exclusive 0 Gen. If you watched any of my videos, you know that I'm high on this tournament. And as you can see, there's a lot of people in this tournament, because I think they're starting to come around to how important this tournament actually is. So basically the tournament starts at 9 o'clock tonight, 2100 military time. So for me, that's 9 o'clock. I'm in Michigan, so 9 o'clock. For me, you get tickets and you get honor. So hopefully I win like I usually do. And I have 1,200 or 1,400 honor. And I'm not going to sell my honor this time. I'm going to use it, because you need the honor to open up the chest when you exploring. So basically I'm going to use that to keep ahead on a explore board, leaderboard. And the big game tournament is basically on the 23rd. So that's 2 days away. So I got 6 tickets. I need 4 more. So that's what I'm focusing in on the next 2 days. Get my tickets and win this tournament and try and place in the top 8 for the power swap, because you get prestige for that too. So that's an important tournament to enter. So outside of that, let's look at Ontology gas. I like to say this before. Let me get this out of the way right now. A lot of people talk about cryptocurrency going mainstream and mainstream adoption. I think one of the easiest ways to get cryptocurrency in the mainstream is through entertainment. People love entertainment. And one avenue is video games. And since I've been playing this game, I'm basically convinced that developers need to focus in on entertainment and video games. People love video games. So playing video games and you getting paid to play, to me that's a win-win. And a lot of people will catch on real quick. So the better the video games, the better the incentives to play, and you getting paid. I mean, that's a no-brainer to me. Some people might think it might be through finance, casino dApps. I mean, don't get me wrong, they have their place, but to me, video games, because the learning curve is small, and entertainment value. So why do I like HyperDragons GO so much? Is because that you earn ONG. ONG is a staking coin. Or should I say Ontology? Ontology is a staking coin. So you stake Ontology and you earn ONG. I like holding crypto that pay me, passive income. Hence my name, Passive Crypto. So one of the reasons why I play this game is because it has a passive component to it. So let's just look at the price right now. ONG, the price is at almost 17 cents. It went down a little bit because the market went down, but it's still up 58.5% in the last 30 days. And you look at the all-time high for this coin, it was $4.39. So right now it's at 16 cents. So I'm convinced that I'm actually convinced that, my personal opinion, this is not financial advice, that this coin will go back up to at least $1.50 this year. And with it being only at 16 cents, you do the math on the percentage gain you will get from that. And if crypto go on a bull run, this coin easily get to $2. So this is a great investment, and the growth potential is astronomical, in my opinion. And you can look at the chart. This is the 30-day chart. As you can see, I think it's around around between February the 14th and the 17th, the price spiked to 22 cents. And then people took profit and it went down. So that's normal. So we got a good, healthy growth. And I think it's going to continue. I mean, it hit 22 cents from 10 cents with ease. Basically, it's right here in January 24th, 22nd, it was around just above 10 cents. Just above 10 cents. And it easily hit 22 cents with no problem. So I know for sure it'll easily hit 50 cents. And then from there, $1 to $1.50 by the end of the year. Long as it doesn't go into a bear market. So, and for me, I just like staking coins. That's just my personal opinion. When I was in the stock market, I used to invest in stocks that pay you a dividend. To me, those were the best ones because they actually paying you to invest in the company. So let's go back to the platform. I haven't covered the passive income component of this platform. So here it is. It's the Hall of Fame. In order to get inducted into the Hall of Fame, which this dragon is, you have to win 10 medals. I hope that makes sense. In order to get inducted into the Hall of Fame on this game, you have to win 10 medals, which basically means you got to finish in the top 3 in the final match. The final match only played once a week, though, so it's not like you're going to get in the Hall of Fame in 1 week. So it takes time. It takes so the game plays once a week. So to get 10 medals, that's 10 weeks. So that's the earliest you will be able to get into the Hall of Fame. So that's the passive income component. So once you're in the Hall of Fame, you get income for life in this game. So this is my dragon, and right now I'm expected to get 85 ONG if the tournament was today. So, and I get a percentage of the current round. And the percentage, I think is, could be wrong, but I think it's like 80% of the current round total. It's either 80 or 70%. Y'all can do the math on that. And based on this right now. So the higher the current round, the higher percentage I get of ONG. So that's the passive component of the game. Get 10 medals for one dragon, and then you get inducted into the Hall of Fame. Once you're in the Hall of Fame, you can't do anything with this dragon outside of basically battle with it on the when you training. You can train with the dragon, but you can't enter it into any more tournaments. So, and if you decide, if you so choose to, you could sell a dragon, and somebody else will get the profits, passive income profits from it. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. Like I said I would, I'm going to show you guys my my progress on the leaderboard. So right now, this is me. I'm in the first place. It's still 6 days left, so it's still young. If it ended today, I get 152 on G. So that's that. I would appreciate it if you guys smash that thumbs up button to give me a like. Appreciate you for watching the video. See you next video. Peace. I am out.